What's going on, everybody? If you can't tell already, this video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to be cleaning my shoes, and I'm going to be using everyday products that you could find at your local store. You don't have to go buy a UV light refrigerator looking thing to get your Air Jordan Max 3000s perfectly pearl white. You can just use this refreshed shoe cleaner kit and get your shoes cleaned up and looking new again. Easy peasy. I'm going to be showing you guys how good it works and if it's worth the price. Basically just doing a review on it on my own shoes. I've already used it on the white Vans and they look good. They look pretty good. I'll show you. That's just a look at the Vans that I cleaned yesterday with this shoe kit. It did a pretty good job in my opinion. The kit also comes with some waterproofer. You can also buy a bigger can of the waterproofer separate from the actual kit. So if you need some more waterproofer, or you plan on using a lot for all your shoes that are new, you can just go ahead and get a bigger can. Here's a look at the brush I will be using, and it also comes with a sponge. This set includes 2 cleaner and conditioner bottles, 1 water and stain repellent, and then 1 touch-up bottle. And the touch-up bottle is just white shoe paint. To start the cleaning process, you're just going to dip either your sponge or your brush into the water. Then you're going to want to apply a couple drops of the shoe cleaner and conditioner. So I got the shoe cleaned off, but some of the stains that are in there are in there. They're not coming out, which you really have to have some professional grade stuff for that. This is really just do-it-yourself shoe cleaner. But if you do have a white pair of shoes, definitely worth it since it comes with that shoe paint, and that really goes over any stains and makes it look really good and clean. If you got like some gray shoes like mine, the stains are in there, they're in there. This won't get them out, which maybe it's just me. The way this paint works, you really just want to dab it on there like 3 dabs, and then get your black brush and rub the paint in and spread it evenly. That way it doesn't look all lumpy, or that way you can't really tell that it was painted on, and it'll look really good if you can do that correctly. So for white shoes, the paint really works great. For other color shoes, if you get that paint on there, you gotta work fast to get it off, or it will dry and ruin the shoe pretty much. So be careful when you're working with this paint. Due to paint getting on my camera, I won't be recording this next part of me painting the shoe. It's now time to clean the other shoe, so I'm just going to clean it and then paint it like I did this one. I just finished cleaning the shoes, and there are some spots and stains still left. The cleaner couldn't get out, but on white shoes I definitely recommend using this kit, and that touch-up paint, it works wonders on white shoes. It'll make them look nearly brand new. On other color shoes, not so much. The conditioner is alright, it removes some spots and stains, but not all. You might have to go back a couple times. The paint is kind of messy on other color shoes. Like, you might have to clean up some paint around the edges that got on the actual gray part of the shoe. Overall, a decent all-around product. I'd recommend it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Subscribe to VNAC or I will steal your cookies.